Alright, this is fourth episode of the project payout, and today I'm gonna just back test and also do a little update on my situation. So I blew the third Apex funded. I don't remember how, but I blew it. But I think I'm 100% sure it was like trading normally. That's my first account. No, actually second that I blew trading normally, not revenge trading and things like that. So yeah, I blew that. I also passed. So this is fourth account. I'm actually pretty good on this. I was at 51k, then lost the trade. And yeah, Apex is constantly sending me some notifications because I'm mainly trading my Lucid account, and this is my this is my calendar. So this is of the Apex account. As you can see, I'm not that active on it. On Lucid, let me open Lucid, because I passed an eval on Lucid and it's way easier to get a payout there. So I'm trading on Lucid funded. Let me see. As you can see here, I have 4 out of 5 trading days, 50,300, almost 400 balance. So I just need a little less than $700 to request that first payout. I'm gonna request it ASAP as I'm eligible. I'm gonna request it. So yeah, let's see the calendar. I'm more active here, as you can see. Previous month. So yeah, I'm not risking that much here, but in the next week I'm gonna risk $500 per trade. I'm still like, I don't want to lose these accounts because this is literally I'm not working my student job anymore. The project shut down, so this payout is really important to me, and I don't want to fuck this up. I also have pressure from my parents, but I'm not gonna talk about that. Yeah, as you can see here, that had an impact on me because a few days ago I started revenge trading. After some time, I again did this stupid shit, revenge trading, but thanks to God, I didn't blow the account. I actually ended up in profits. So yeah, also I forced some trades. I was not revenge trading previous days, but I forced not like the best setups. So yeah, I need to chill and actually just be patient and take that payout scale, and everything's gonna be fine. So yeah, not many lessons since the last episode. Yeah, that's it. That's about my current situation. So let's start back testing. Let's go here. I'm gonna back test on TradeZella. Create session. Yeah, let's ask Gemini for a year to back test. Just a second. So give me a random year to backtest Nasdaq. This is 216. Okay, we can do that. Strategy FVG symbols. We are gonna trade NQ and ES. Okay, I'm gonna also add the M and Q because I'm gonna risk $500 to make it like perfectly how I trade normally. So let's go to 2016. What the fuck? Bro, what the hell? Bro, we cannot go to 2016. Oh, give me some other year from 2019. Okay, to 2019. Okay, we are gonna do 2019. Let's do July because it's currently July. So yeah, we are gonna be. It's gonna be the best to do that. Okay. End date. I don't know how I'm gonna back test. I'll just put here probably a month or so. So yeah, 50k. create session. Yo. Okay. I put my chart settings, remove this volume, put a full screen, and yeah, I'm sorry because it's taking me too much. So yeah, let's start. Let's go to the where is this? Where is this? Go to New York. Okay. New York, bro. This is not New York, bro. Okay. Let's do the analysis. So I start on a daily chart to see and mark previous day high, previous day low. So let's mark this. What are we doing, bro? Previous day high. Okay, we swept previous day low and we entered this daily fair value gap. I'm gonna mark that. We're also bullish. We made a new all-time high. So I can expect maybe pushing back to all-time highs, or we can make some pullback lower and then again push to all-time highs. We'll see. Great sauce when you're trading all-time highs is that market is constantly bullish, and if some short setup presents, I'll be targeting 1-to-1 because it's not ideal. Usually it's just pumping when we are at all-time high. So yeah, we are looking for longs. Let's see, I'm waiting for this to enter. Wait, it did enter. What the hell is this? Yeah, it was delivering from this. Yeah, so we are bullish. Okay, let's look for a little lower. Okay, we entered this 4-hour. Let's see how the price will react from that. 4-hour. Okay, let's see if we have some. Yeah, we have 15-minute here. Also on ES. I didn't even look at ES. Okay, so ES. Yeah. Yeah, so there was an S&T. So we are clearly bullish. We're just gonna look for longs. But we entered this 4-hour. Let's see if the price is gonna 15 minutes here. Yeah, 5 minutes, but they are not so good targets. It looks like we are just generating liquidity here. So I'll look at for some pullback and then for re-entry. Okay, we are not gonna get that. Let's just wait for some continuation. I don't like this because it's in premium. I want to generate some liquidity here and then make a pullback, manipulate, and then target higher. Okay, we are not getting this. Yeah. I was looking. Yeah, even if I enter here, I would get stopped out because, bro, what's wrong with the mouse? Because, yeah. Okay. We still have this. So let's look for a pullback here and then continuation to the upside. Yes. Okay. Yeah, we are just pumping, and I don't like these entries. Actually, this might be this. Yeah, it entered the discount zone. I could have entered here. But yeah, this was actually, I missed this one. This was actually good because it made this, didn't really swap this liquidity. It created relatively equal highs, if not equal highs. And yeah, this was a good one. I missed this. I don't know if I would enter this in live market because it will be slower. I was a little bit too fast here. Okay, now we are in this 1 hour fairly gap. Okay, some rejection. Let's see what will happen now. Okay, this is nice pullback. But yeah, I'm looking at 12 and 15 minutes. So last macro. No, I'm not gonna enter this. It already said this internal. If I enter here, I will go break even. No. Okay, let's go to the next day. This day was not trades, but there was actually one good trade. I missed it. So let's see here. Okay, we just made a new all-time high, and probably just gonna push today also. I just my previous day. Okay, swap this. 1 hour, 15 minutes. But this is huge. This is huge. Let's see how many points are these. On NQ. Oh, it's actually not that huge, but bro, this year we got 500 points handles, and in 2019 there was not that. Okay, 5 minutes again, bro. This was just market open. Yeah. I will not enter this market open. But as you can see, like, we are just pushing higher. Like a few months ago, I would think if we swept all-time highs that we are gonna dump like crazy, but it's not like that. So I'm just gonna wait for continuation to the upside. That's it. With a nice low resistance liquidity that it generates. Okay, we start to make a market structure shift here. Yes, it's also pumping. Let's see. 5 minutes. It still has 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Okay, didn't close. Okay, let's see if it entered this 50 minute. All right. It did enter. Bro, if this would have been S&T, that would be perfect, but let's see. CISD, let's see if it inverts this fairly gap. If it inverts this one, I'm gonna enter. Okay. This is not like perfect setup, But when we are at all-time highs, it will probably just deliver. So yeah, I'm gonna enter it on MNQ. We have this fairly gap here, but we made a CISD clear manipulation into 15-minute fairly gap. So yeah, we could target new all-time highs. Let's see if this will play out. How many contracts? Yeah, 500. Okay, let's see. Great. This inverse. Okay, I will go break even here. The inverse this fairly gap. We are safe now. Okay. So what's this? This is 1-to-1. I would take some partials here. So let's cut 1-to-1. And let's leave a runner. Bro, I would not hold this long. This is crazy. Like, I would not close this. Yeah, I'm not a fan of backtesting. I think it's just enough to backtest like 6 months or even a year of your model and then just go into markets and do it there, because like I didn't even notice this, that it went to all PM session, like, so yeah. This is probably even hard to watch. I don't know if anyone watching this is enjoying this, but yeah, let's go to the next day. Please below. We have this daily fair value gap here. 4 hour. Bro. 4 hour. Yeah. And it's already, bro. I don't like these all-time highs. It's just, it's annoying. It's annoying. Like this price action, you don't want to enter shorts because there are all-time highs, and it can pump. Like it can. I saw like it edges perfect equal lows, and it pumps to the all-time highs. Like that shit is annoying. Like it can pump from whatever level. It doesn't even need to be some key level, like from some fairly gap or something. It can pump, bro. It's really annoying. Let me see, like it just pumps. You see? Okay, we are into 4 hour, but What time is it? Okay. Look at this. This is probably gonna play out. This is probably gonna play out because we're at all-time highs. Look at this. So we invert this fairly gap. I don't usually enter something like this, but for the sake of this, let's enter, bro. Let's enter. Buy. Look at it. This is probably gonna play out. Of course, it plays out because we are at all-time highs. But I would not enter this. I would not even enter here. We have this rejection week. This in 3 minutes. Let's see. But I would 100% not enter this. No way that I would enter this in live market. This is annoying, bro. Look at this wick. Look at this. What the hell? That was news. So this is actually data low. As you can see, market sweeps these data highs and lows like 70% of the time. And this here, because we are at all-time highs, it edged this. I would never long this. Never I would long this because we have these data lows. I would expect this to get swept and then go to all-time highs. But yeah, this shouldn't even count. But you need to be careful when we are at all-time highs. Yeah, let's go to the next day. And this here, bro, what the fuck? It's really annoying. And 2026 was also like this. Why is ES that weird? Okay. It looks so weird. Look at this. We have this low resistance liquidity here building. So that would be really nice. But ES already took this because ES is at all-time highs. Yeah, it took all the buy side liquidity here. All. It took this one. That's a huge S&T, as you can see here. This is huge S&T. Huge fucking S&T. Bro, my mouse is trolling me. This is huge fucking S&T. It doesn't matter because you're at all-time high. It's probably gonna push even higher. So yeah, let's see. 15-minute delivering out of this 15-minute, and it took this LRR, but it also have. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what market open did. Okay, manipulate lower. We get immediate inversion. But yes, look at this. Like I want to enter this so bad, but it's literally like 2 minutes after market open, and it swept all this internal. Let's see. I am looking for some pullback lower and then delivering. Bro. It's probably gonna run through this, but there is no clear entry for me. No clear entry. Like, okay, it actually swept this, but I don't wanna, and I didn't want to enter here, bro. It didn't even close. It did close, or it is. Bro, that's why I say, like, this is so annoying. We can enter here. If I'm looking at live price section, I can see like if there is a good momentum. I can see on trade of it, CVD. So at the aggression of bars and things like that, if there is some absorption or something. But here on backtesting, like I can just inverse this all this fair value gap. So I'm gonna put my stop loss. This is how I'm thinking. So this is fair value gap into inverse this. So I'm gonna put my stop loss underneath. We have these order blocks here, and yeah, I'm gonna target all-time highs. Yes, it's also delivering from 4-hour fair value gap. Nasdaq swept this, and this should be protected, but my stop loss is not at the lows. But yeah, even though like this is great, it has this LRLR to finish. Look at this. Okay, let's enter this one on NQ, not on micros. So let's see. It risks $500. I would maybe go break even here when it swept this internal liquidity, but let's see. Okay, we got stopped out, so that's okay. It pumps when we are not in the trade, and when we enter it doesn't pump, so that's perfectly fine. Okay, this is looking awesome. This is actually looking awesome. Let's see if it swept something. Yeah, bro, if this doesn't play out, I don't know, bro. If this doesn't play out, this is like literally perfect. It swept all the sell side liquidity, entered this 1-hour fair value gap, and this stop loss should be protected. It's macro time. Hopefully not that 11 a.m. doesn't remanipulate this low. And yeah, let's see. $500. 11 a.m. Okay, it didn't manipulate, so it should deliver. I'll go break even. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. I could have even leave a runner to the all-time highs, but that would be crazy. But it can deliver. Let's see just if this will deliver. Is this? Yeah, this is crazy. If you're gonna be this long in a trade. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's remove all of this. Again, my bias is bullish. Okay, we have this unmitigated 4-hour fair value gap. So I'm looking, hopefully price will get to this and then go to the new all-time highs. But let's see. Maybe this, yeah. It inverts this 1 hour, but still I'm looking. Yeah, no way that it will go to this. How many points is this? It can go, but it's crazy. Okay, we are into this 1 hour fair value gap. Let's see. Okay. 10 a.m. open. Let's see how price will react from this. Fuck yeah, bro. Ooh, this was a really good one. We have SMT here. It entered this 15-minute fairly gap. We have market structure shift on lower time frame, as you can see, higher high, higher low, and then it here it made the CISD, and it made the market structure shift. And look at this reaction for 50 minutes. So I would actually enter this short. I don't have a great entry, but I think my stop loss is protected, and like this, because it's in the 15-minute fairly gap right here. I would target 1-to-1 because we are at all-time highs, and yeah, and fuck this shit, bro. Fuck this shit, bro. Fuck this shit, bro. Look at this. Look at this shit. All good. Okay, it's respecting this 10 a.m. open. Creating this low resistance liquidity. Let's see if we'll get some good long. This. Oh yeah, great SMT. It would be even better if we are in some fair value gap, but we are not. We are not. But we are rejection block here. We tapped into this rejection block, but look at this SMT. I don't know, this is risky. This is risky. But I still think this will deliver. Let's just wait for one more candle to see. Okay. CISD also. Yeah, let's enter this. Break even at these highs. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Okay, break even. Is this 1-to-1? This is not 1-to-1. Wait. Let me see if we have some better targets. I mean, we're probably gonna pump higher, so I'll take partial here and leave a runner. And yeah, fuck this shit, bro. I'm not gonna even take a partial. I'm gonna end at break even. How long am I recording? 34 minutes. Yeah, let's just go for one more trade, and that's gonna be it. Let's go for one more trade. Let's see where we are. We start to chop here on ES. Bro. What? That? What is this? Look at this low resistance liquidity, bro. I want to get run through all of this. Through all of this, I want to get run through all of this. And we kind of started to slow down here. Let's see. Market open. What will do? Oh yeah. Yeah. Is there some fairly gap? It is 1 hour fairly gap. So let's see if we disrespect this 1 hour fairly gap, I'll be looking for shorts. If we respect it, I'll be looking for longs. Let's see. It entered this 5-minute fairly gap. It remanipulated, as you can see, it actually entered it here. And then it remanipulates, make this S and T here. So the short will actually work. I think so. CISD, again, shorting at, we are close to all-time highs, but let's see. I think this will work. And bro, should I go break even here or fuck this, bro? I'm gonna go break even. It needs to flush this. Come on, flush it. Flush it, bro. Flush it. Flush it, bro. And yeah. Bro, I can't end with a break-even trade. I need a win, bro. I need a win. It's not over until I win. Let's go. Let's go to the next day. Let's close this. Four-hour delivering. We yeah, we still didn't finish this low resistance liquidity. So I'm again looking at the shorts where we are respecting this 4 hour. We are clearly delivering from it. ES, what is the ES doing? Bro, when I'm back testing, I forgot to look at ES. Okay. Yeah. We inverse this 1 hour fairly gap. I'm 100% bearish this day. It has this low resistance liquidity, and it looks like we are not going to get these all-time highs again, because it's really annoying. Fuck all-time highs, bro. Fuck all-time highs. Look at this shit. Let's see if we get some manipulations here, and then distribution to these all lows. Okay, nice. Yeah, bro, I'm entering this. This is great. I don't give a fuck. Should I put it at this week? Yeah, I should, because it should be protected, because look at the reaction here. When looking at live markets and you see that rejection, it's way easier like to spot and see your daily bias. And yeah, you just look how price reacts at key levels, and that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna enter here, sell. Is it yeah, $500, sell. Okay, I could wait for CIs, man. Yeah, this should work, bro. Come on, don't do this shit, bro. Again, I can't end up with a loss. So this day I took a loss. I'll probably log off, but since we are back testing, let's look for some re-entry. Bro, what the hell? Bro, why is it chopping like this? There's no fairly gap, but I really think this will right now flash. Bro. We had some inversion here, but I would definitely not enter this. This looks so bad. This inversion looks so bad. Let's see if we get some continuation. Why are you... Bro, let's see. Get to this 5 minute. Get to this 5 minute, bro. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Look. There is inversion, but bro, this... I would not enter this inversion, bro. It swept all this liquidity here, and it can easily remanipulate higher and then distribute to my level. Let's see if it will do this. Go. A bit higher, bro. A bit higher. Go into this early gap and then give me it. Fuck this shit, bro. And when things like this happen, it's important to stay calm and not like be... I knew this, and then enter the trade. Like, that shit can fuck you up. It happened to me, and I learned my lesson. Even in backtesting, I'm not gonna do this. So, yeah. But, what time is it? Okay, last macro, last chance, guys. Last chance to see. Okay. S&T. No. Okay. Let's see. Something will happen. I really want to try this. Yeah, yes, enter this 5 minute. And let's see. Yeah, we made market structure shift. Interest that early gap, so 5 minute. I mean, yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna enter this. Put this at the body. And let's see, guys. This is my last trade. Hopefully it delivers. Bro, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, bro? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Now everything is over. Fuck this shit. Let's see what happened. Yeah, of course it delivers. When it stops me out. Of course. Fucking shit. Look at this. If I put it here, bro. This is crazy. Yeah. That's gonna be it from backtesting. See you in another video. Hopefully next episode of the project payout is gonna be requesting my payout. And yeah, fuck this backtesting. Fuck all-time highs. And be careful. See you.